Okay, today we have a 1989 Mercedes 560 SEL. This is a two-family owned car, and it's a local car to us. The guy that originally purchased this car owned a big glass company up by Punxsutawney, PA. The body and everything is rust-free on it. Paint and everything is nice, clean, and original. We're going to go over it here with you. So on the front bumper there is some chips. We did not repaint it. It's all original paint up there. A couple little rock chips. Has a couple little marks right here. This car has right around 100,000 miles on it. It runs great. I put about 25 miles on it myself. This car had a window sticker back in 1989 of $80,000. See, the paint the whole way around it is really nice. Like I said, it is original. I don't know if you can see it in the video or not, but like those things right there, that is throughout the paint in a couple places. But you really can't see it unless you get close to it. Wheels and everything are in nice shape. Chrome's really nice on it. See, the roof's real nice. It does have a sunroof and it works. I'm going to show you guys that. Yeah, really the only marks on it is on the front bumper and on the hood right there. Everything else is really nice and clean. Okay, we're gonna go to the interior here. You can see the door pads are really nice on it. Nice, clean, and original. See, the power seat works. Up and down. Let's go ahead and start this thing up. No check engine lights on. It needs a little bit of windshield washer fluid in it. I'll put that in it for you. Radio works in it. Heated seats in it work. All the windows go up and down as they should. The air does change as it should when you press these buttons here. Windshield wipers work on it. Cruise does work. I did test that. So that works. Horn. Let's try the sunroof here. It works as it should. See, the headliner in this car is really nice, no stains or anything. Interior is in excellent shape in this car. You can see the armrest here is really nice. Does have the original floor mats in the front, which are very nice and clean. They've been covered up with these floor mats here. That's just dirt on there. That's from this floor mat here, but you can see they are very nice and clean. This car sat in the garage forever. No white smoke. That's condensation. It's cold out this morning. has the spare tire with it. Still has the jack and the tool kit, all that stuff. I do have the original manuals, and I got 2 sets of keys with it. See, the tail lights are working. I turned the lights on. This car would definitely make someone a nice cruiser. Drives really nice. See, the dash pad's real nice on it. I'm going to show you guys underneath this car. Headlights work on it. Chrome's real nice up here. Alright guys, we're going to take this Mercedes out for a test drive here. Heat and everything does work in it really well. It's a little chilly up here today. You guys can see it's steering really nice and straight. I hit the brakes, it stops nice and straight. Brakes are good on it, so that, the steering wheel's not wiggling or anything. Let's check this later. Thing's never been smoked in, so it doesn't have any odors or anything in it either. Radio does work in it. Got the old tape player, everything's nice and original. It's got a nice pickup to it. Suspension and everything's really nice and smooth. See how nice this dash is. It's not bubbling or cracking or anything, so they didn't leave it out in the sun. Overturn signals working on it. Horn. You guys can see all the gauges work on it. Speedometer's working. Needs gas, which we're on our way to put gas in it right now. Our tack works on it. Definitely a nice driving car. Everything's really nice and tight. It's got good response to it. Lights work. You guys can see this rear view mirror is not delaminating. On a lot of these old cars, they always delaminated. So, okay, we're gonna go to the engine bay. Everything's nice and quiet. It's got the big V8 in it. Down in there, everything's nice and clean. Yeah, so that is the 1989 Mercedes 560 SEL that we have. It's on our website. There's lots of pictures on there. Feel free to give me a call, 724-840-3499. We can help you out with financing, shipping, and we do take trades. I can also make more videos or FaceTime or take more pictures of this car for you. Feel free to give me a call, 724-840-3499. Thank you.